Phonics class. In the previous video, we have learned 3-letter CVC words along with at family. Now, we will be learning 3-letter CVC words along with ed family. If you are new to my channel, please check my previous videos for better understanding. Children, we all know that CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. We have to always remember that blending the letter sounds together is first step in reading. Alright, kids, are you ready to blend some sounds together to make new words? Yes, very good. Let's get started. Letter E. E makes the sound A. Letter D. D makes the sound D. Letter E and D together makes the sound Ed. A. D. Ed. Children, now we are going to learn words with ed sound. Here we go. B. Ed. Bed. B. Ed. Bed. F. Ed. Fed. F. Ed. Fed. R. Ed. Red. R. Ed. Red. V. Ed. Ved. V. Ed. Ved. Children, now we are going to practice some more words. By practicing more words every day, we can improve our reading skills. Children, shall we practice? Yes, very good. Led. Ned. Ted. Children, now let's have a quick review. You all can read with me. Come on, let's read. Bed. Fed. Led. Ned. Red. Ted. Ved. Children, don't forget to practice these words every day. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click bell icon to get new video alerts. Thank you so much for watching.